Honestly, when I started my writing career 3 years ago, I wish I knew about these tools, and that is why I am making this video for you today. This is like a top rated video, so consider watching this video to the end. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 must-have tools for every content and copywriter in 2022. So if you're a content and copywriter, get ready to learn and to explore, and stay with me to the end of this video. Hello guys, my name is Linda. I'm a freelance content and copywriter. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I post free weekly videos on content marketing, social media, freelancing, side hustle, and everything in between. If this sounds like what you love, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you have not, hit the bell notification and give this video a thumbs up. So why I am not a fan of editable or sweepable templates, but it's totally fine if this works for you. I just believe that it steals away the essence of the craft, and if the essence of a beautiful copy is missing, then what then is the copy for? It won't address the pinpoint of your audience, then it likely might not be able to fly. So I hear you saying in the background, what then am I a fan of? I'm a fan of tools that help me elevate my content or copy, helped me optimize my content also. I'm a fan of tools that help me understand the pinpoint of my audience, and I'm able to address them, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. If you're yet to subscribe, now is the time to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you're the first to know once my video goes live. 10 must-have tools for every content and copywriter in 2022. Tool number 1, share through headline analyzer. If you want your headline to rank based on what is happening live online these days, this tool is your go-to. It will provide headline quality score, engagement score, and impression score. What's more, this tool shows you the strength and weakness of your headline, and it is a completely free tool. Although share through headline analyzer is primary for social media and content marketing, but trust me, it is still worth using to tweak your copy while creating your headline. So I see you running to check this tool out. So before you do that, remember that this is a robot, so your judgment is still very valid, and always put that into consideration. What you think is perfect might still be very perfect. Tool number 2, Grammarly. Because most content writers and copywriters are more interested in pouring out big ideas, and most times mistakes and spellings and even grammar errors are inevitable, Grammarly comes to play. It takes the job of proofreading off your hand, and trust me, it always saves the day. Grammarly is being praised by not just writers, but anyone with any sort of writing. Grammarly is that AI tool that helps you correct your spelling, grammar, punctuation, and even mistake. What's more beautiful about Grammarly? It is easy to use. You can add it as an extension to your browser, and it provides real-time suggestions that you can either accept or amend. Tool number 3, Hemingway Editor. This app refuses you to let rubbish stay around. It wants you to stay on track with focus on your end result. And trust me, the goal is to ensure that your content is clear and simple, yet relatable. Hemingway Editor uses different text color to highlight lengthy, complex, and difficult to read text. This is to give you room to know where to optimize, simplify, and slice your content from. Tool number 4, answer the public. So because there are over 3 billion searches daily on search engines like Google, YouTube, answer the public is your go-to to actually know what your audience are searching for. Tools together, phrases, questions that you can use to develop content ideas and hit the pinpoint of your audience. So if you're looking to get to know what your audience are actually searching, answer the public is your go-to. Alright, let's move to tool number 5, Pro Writing Aid. This is another editing tool, and most writers tend to describe it as the best editing tool. I think I quite agree with them. Like, Pro Writing Aid is a very good editing app, one you need to try out. So if you've been using Grammarly, Hemingway Editor, it is time for you to get the Pro Writing Aid and check it out. Tool number 6, speech notes. This is a writing tool that helps content or copywriters that get ideas pop in and out of their head. Trust me, it would help you turn whatever you're thinking into idea on the spot. And for a free tool, this is one tool you cannot miss. And it saves you the stress of typing. Who wants to type anyway? Nobody. So our tool number 7 is word counter. So because most content writers tend to be pay per word, or your potential clients might need an exact word or character from you, having this tool is very, very important. Like, it's very essential. And what's more about this tool, it also helps you to look out for your grammar and your spelling. So what are you waiting for? Go and get a word counter now. Tool number 8, HubSpot blog topic generator. Like, honestly, this worked like magic for me. So whenever I have a writer's blog, all I just have to do is put my keywords into this topic generator, and it brings a whole lot of ideas that I can build up, twerk a little, and produce good content. So this is one topic generator that you need as a content or copywriter. Our tool number 9 is Canva. Like, I am crazily in love with this tool. This is one tool that every content writer needs. It helps you to create easy to use graphics with their editable templates. You can easily just add what you need at every point and you're good to go. So your content should never lack a graphics. With Canva, you don't need a certificate to become a graphic designer. Remember, Canva has a paid or a free version, but I still think that any of them can serve you. While I use the paid version, I think so many people still use the free version and it works wonders for them. And the final tool on this 10 must-have tools for every content and copywriter is SEMrush. Trust me, this keyword tool is the best. Like, it's very beautiful. We all know that it is very expensive, not even at times. We all know that this tool is very expensive. But trust me, this is a very good tool you can use to actually get to know what your audience are searching for. And I would simply recommend that if you need to use this tool, all you have to do is look for musicians that have a big version, reach out to them. You can subscribe for a month and make use of it. And during this period, you can you can research as many content ideas as you want, and you save them and continue working on them. So you subscribe monthly whenever you need to make use of it. I hope this helped. And if you need a link to a company that does this, check out my WhatsApp link in the comment section and reach out to me so that I can link you up. So that's my 10 must-have tools for every content and copywriter in 2022, and I think these tools will last even to the nearest future. I hope you found this video helpful and you have saved this for reference. Consider hitting the subscribe button if you have not right now, and turn on your bell notification so that you're the first to know once I post another video next week. Give this video a like and a thumbs up to support your girl to keep pushing out content. Let me know in the comment section any of the tool you have started using and how beneficial it has been for you